How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a banana pup from a clump. The first thing you're going to want to do is have a really sharp shovel. The best way to do that is to sharpen it with a grinder or a file. You just want to grind from one side and then grind from the other side, and just make it a bit sharper. This makes it a lot quicker to slice into the corm of the banana. So as you can see, I've got a little banana clump here. I'm going to be removing this one on this side. So basically what you want to do is you want to get your shovel and just go in between the pup and the corm, and you want to go straight down, which will shave it off the side of the corm. You don't want to, you can go like on an angle, but this is going to take part of the mother corm out, which you may want, because it might make the banana like have a bit more substantial corm at the base of your pup, which might make it grow a bit quicker. But yeah, so you want to get your shovel and you basically want to drive it straight down in between the trunk and the pup or offset. So I'm going to be cutting this one here. So you want to clear any debris. This is just some biochar I've added in. You want to clear any debris away from the base. Then you want to go in basically straight up and down. Cut in as deep as you can. Kind of lever it a bit. And kind of cut in a triangle like that, and you'll see it levering out, and then you should be able to pull the base out like this, and you should get some roots with it and a bit of corm. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please leave me a like. If you have any comments on it, please put them in the comment section below. If you have any tips or things you think that I could have done better. Also, if you want to subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. I'm going to try and do one video a week this year. That's my goal. I'm going to be focusing mainly on permaculture, food forest, veggie growing, thing like that. Awesome. All right, see you next time, guys.